What up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be reviewing the Pip Handmixer, as you guys can see. So let's get started. It's supposed to have a 5-speed electric hand mixer, as you guys can see. Lightweight design with secure grip, and it's supposed to have a 150 watt motor. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. There we go. And I got this at the 99-cent store for $5.99. As you guys could see right here, amazing new value. So let's see if this thing was worth the money. We first open the box and we are greeted with a Pip 5-speed hand mixer manual, and it tells you all this information that we're probably not going to read, you know, because who reads a manual? Oh, it comes with two of these things. Forgot what they're called. They're supposed to be stainless steel. Right here on the box it says they are dishwashable or dish safe washable. So here we go, two. Pretty heavy, pretty shiny. And then we get the mixer itself, and we don't got nothing on the box. And here how the mixer looks like. Man, it's big. I thought it was gonna be smaller. Well, there you go. That's how the mixer looks like. Front, the side, the back. And we got the buttons right here. We got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 speed. And we got the eject button. You guys could see. The cord looks pretty long too, which is a good thing. Let me get this untangled. Yeah. Let me see. Am I even untangling it right? Yeah, I am. Oh, damn. Move the camera. And it comes with the little protective thing. And you guys could see the cord is pretty long, actually. I would say, I don't know, really don't know, maybe like 3 feet long, I would say. And let me put the spreadings, what do they call, spreaders. We put them on. That's secure? No, that's not secure. Yeah, hello. Oh, there you go. So that's how it looks like once you guys put them on. Pretty simple. And with the button, this is how you will eject them. Oh damn, they went flying. But let me get some eggs and we'll give it a test and plug it in, and I'll show you guys what this thing is capable of doing, if it's worth your money or not. But I'll see you guys right now. Let me set this up. We are back, guys, and as you guys can see, I cracked 2 eggs already. So we're gonna give it a test. We're gonna put it first on the 1st speed. So that's number 1. Yes, this thing works really good. We got speed 2, speed 3, speed 4, and speed 5. As you guys can hear, this thing sounds pretty powerful and loud. And it's doing a good job. We got some scrambled eggs on the mix now. Wow. You guys could see, we got our scrambled eggs. So, oh wait, let me put that on. And let me actually, let me just put that like that. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Well guys, in conclusion, I will have to say that the Pip Handmixer is totally worth $5.99. I was expecting it to be, you know, less powerful, probably not even work at all, but I mean, you can't beat it. So if you guys go to your 99-cent store and you guys see one of these, make sure you grab it, because it's totally worth it. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I will see you guys on the next video. So peace out.